In order to effectively troubleshoot, maintain, or service a control circuit, you need to understand how the circuit is designed to operate. You'll find this information on drawings of the circuits called electrical schematics. Electrical schematics show the complete electrical system and the connection of each element. The schematic is intended to yield a clear picture of a circuit, but it is not detailed enough to be followed when a circuit is being wired. In this lesson, you'll learn to read and interpret electrical schematics, an important skill when you're troubleshooting circuits. Let's start by looking at the three basic elements in a control circuit. Input devices provide information about the controlled system. Common examples of input devices include push-button switches, temperature switches, limit switches, or sensors. These devices open and close contacts to send signals to the control circuit. For example, contacts in this limit switch are open when the valve is closed. So, the state of the contacts supplies information about the valve position to the control circuit. Select Next to continue. The logic or decision-making element of a control circuit consists of one or more. Now that you know the symbols for devices used on an electrical schematic, we're ready to look at the structure of the schematic and how it shows the relationship among the input, logic, and output devices. Remember, the schematic is a simplified diagram of how the system operates. Trace the circuit to identify the source of control power and the controlled equipment. Then select each area for a description of the area on this schematic. When you're ready to continue, select Next.